How to create accounts on Litmatch app. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can create an account on Litmatch app. The first step is to ensure that you have the application installed already. Then once you have it installed, just click on the app in order to launch the application. Okay, so after clicking on the application, you'll be brought to the page, display page. So wait patiently for it to load. So once it has loaded, you can see the home page, it says log into Facebook or Google. So for me, I would select Google. Right, so let's click on Google and then you do it for your Google accounts to be displayed. After your Google account has been displayed, select the Google account that you'd like to use. Then after selecting Google account, this page will be displayed. Then you wait for it to load. Alright. And so once that's loaded, the next step would be for you to start to create your profile. So you have to enter in a nickname, first of all. Okay. And then enter in your birthday, that is your date of birth. Okay. And once you've done that, you'd have to select your gender, if you're a male or a female. And so scroll down to the last part of the screen and click on done. And so you can see a summary of what you just did. If it's correct, click on confirm and then you wait for the page to load as well. So once that's loaded, you'd have to select the kind of person that you would like to meet. Is it a male, is it a female, or both? So for me, I'll select both. Scroll down. You can also set the age range. All right, just set the age range that you want, and then click on done. And then you'll be taken to the next page where you'll be introduced. If you want to add a personality, you can do that, or you can just move to the top right corner and click on skip. And so then you can also introduce yourself, or if you do not want to do that, move to the top right corner and click skip. And so you'll be asked to choose an avatar to represent yourself. After choosing an avatar, move down to the last part and click on done. And so you'll be taken to the next page. As you can see, an account has been created. All right, your account has been created. So you can move to the bottom right corner, click on your avatar, and you will see details about yourself. This is how you can create an account on Litmatch. Thank you for watching and have a good day.